Alright, so there it is, installed, all nice and flush. There's my Doris.
Hi everybody.
There's the bolt, all nice and recessed in, as I planned. And it was, because I don't have a big enough socket set, it was quite the challenge to put it in. And there it is. It closes all nice and flush. All that's left is some, filling in the sides here with some, nice caulking and weather stripping and stuff, and priming and painting. But there you go. I'd say it's a lot better than the old one. It's also sitting a lot more level. It's actually pulled the level out on it. Alright, there you go. Now, if you do go for this option, make sure you got a big enough paddle head. That way you can get a tool in there to tighten it down, and make sure you got a nice big enough socket. Alright, there you go.